what parental issues are going to be raised? Differences in belief and practices between the parties on the same religion. One may be more religious than the other, may be more devout than the other. And that is really an important factor for both the attorney and the forensics to understand, and how it's presented to a judge in court. And the reason there is that you really have to be knowledgeable on the nuances of that when you're trying to explain to the judge what is going on here, what is the underlying conflict. A lot of the cases that deal with cultural and religious factors as being the litigated part would be a case where if that wasn't part of the dynamics, the parties probably would have resolved custody and visitation without court intervention. But the stumbling block that comes up is that one party says, well, this is the way we practice our religion. This is part of our culture. And therefore, that leads to the part where they can't compromise. And now you're asking a judge in the United States where there's a separation of church and state, but religion is a factor that has to be considered in custody. The other factors, and this is more so for the forensics, is parental intolerance of beliefs and practices of the other parent. That becomes, for the attorney, the stumbling block that we have with the forensics. And the reason is, as an advocate for our party, for our client, and the client's desire is, this is the way we've practiced, or this is the way I have practiced the religion, tolerance or intolerance. And we'll give some examples from cases as we progress, where when the forensics wants to look at the tolerance level of the other parent, when that parent has raised a child and has sent the child to a school that teaches certain beliefs and practices, that party doesn't want tolerance saying, well, it's all right if we don't follow it.